Do you know the 6 key elements that are considered when determining ladder safety? They are ladder design, inspection, usage, maintenance, training, and storage. Starting with ladder design, manufacturers are responsible for ensuring their product complies with the published standards, such as those from ANSI or ISO. There are 2 types of ladders you might use in your workplace. Portable ladders, which include straight ladders, extension ladders, and step ladders. And fixed ladders, which are permanently attached to a structure. Ladders are only suitable for short-duration, low-frequency work due to the physical strain they can cause. It's essential to choose the right tool for the job when working at height. Each type of ladder has its own specific safety requirements, which we'll delve into, starting with step or A-frame ladders. Before using a ladder, always conduct an inspection. A competent person who has received the necessary training should be appointed for this task. Keep an eye out for problems such as low load capacity, structural damage, damaged spreaders, broken rungs, missing rubber feet, hidden defects, or unsafe self-repairs. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for usage, which can usually be found on 1 or more labels on the side of the ladder, and make sure to factor in the weight of any tools or equipment you'll be carrying up the ladder. Once you've confirmed that the ladder is safe to use, check for issues at the top and bottom. Ensure the ladder is placed on solid level ground and there are no obstructions or dangers near your work area. Be aware of overhead electrical cables and any sharp objects that could cause injury. Make sure the ladder's spreaders are locked in place and avoid placing the ladder on boxes or unstable bases. When climbing, always maintain 3 points of contact with the ladder for stability. Carry tools in a belt or hoist them up after you've climbed. Keep your body centered with the ladder and always face the ladder when climbing. Avoid leaning out to the side, overreaching, or using the top step or cap as a step, as these actions can destabilize the ladder. Never move a ladder with people or tools still on it, and avoid using a step ladder like a straight ladder or horizontally, as this can compromise its strength. To summarize, ladder safety encompasses design, inspection, usage, maintenance, training, and storage. Always conduct thorough inspections, use the ladder correctly, and be aware of your surroundings to ensure your safety when working with ladders. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to catch the next installment where we'll discuss the safety requirements for extension and straight ladders. Stay safe out there.